You're a good girl. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Ooh, whoa. You're hyper. This is the awkward part. Are you ready? Thinks he's got a chance. Off to Mexico again. 3 honk.
Get on the opposite way.
I have my camera set up this way. Come on. 3 honks.
Wave, yeah. I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She likes to flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies in penitentiary. Nice guy, my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Crew like hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me, no, I'm staring in the mirror.
Alright guys, so we're back from Mexico enjoying some cream soda? Wait a minute. Oh! Yeah, we won't even get into that. But you guys, Corey lied to me. You lied to me. He lied to me. We said we were going stock for stock, and I'm gonna show you something right now because he lied. Liar! You lied to me. You're running a tune. He definitely lied to me because he's running a Cobb access port right now. So what do you got on there?
It's a 93 Dizzy tune.
Bullshit, I thought we were running stock for stock. And then he comes out, he's like, oh, it's all stock. It's not stock at all. He has a tune. So, yeah, but if your car was stock, I would have got you.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, you guys, we're picking up this video about 4 days later. So this weekend, something really cool happened. I had a subscriber of mine, shout out to Bryce, came out with his Celica GT. This is my GTS. His was actually the exact same year, and he vinyl wrapped it himself, which is pretty cool. But what we did is we swapped headlights. So I got these awesome black halos from him, and I'm gonna insert some of that footage right here. I got excited, we got to talking, and I didn't actually film any of that. So I also got more parts for the Celica that we'll talk at the end of the video. But for right now, check out this subscriber meetup, my very first subscriber meetup. Let's get to it. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Bryce, say hi.
Hi.
What do you got over there?
2003 Celica GT.
2003 Celica GT and my 2003 GTS. So basically, you found my videos on the internet and we started talking, and I'd been looking for these awesome haloed headlights. I don't know how well you can see them in the sunlight there with the black kind of housing on the inside, and he'd been looking for OEM ones. So we found out that we actually live pretty close together, so we decided that we were going to swap them out. So tell me about your car. What did I say I got frustrated about when you showed up? What did you do?
I vinyl wrapped the whole thing over the winter.
He vinyl wrapped the entire car himself, and I'd been looking into it, and I just wasn't sure I wanted to try it. But look at this. Check this out. Show us.
So, yeah, it's Vivid's matte metallic charcoal.
Okay.
So it didn't cost too much actually.
So what was everything you needed to do it?
So I ended up buying about 50 by 5 feet of vinyl.
Okay.
And then got squeegees, the felt pads, made sure I wiped it all down with rubbing alcohol.
Okay.
Just to remove all the wax and grease and whatever.
Yep.
But hardest part is just staying patient and.
See, that's I don't like that kind of
Yeah.
stuff. Like, I don't know, this scares me a little bit, but if we get down next to it, I mean, I'll do some shots walking around it too, but look at this. It actually turned out really nice. So, what kind of heat gun? Just like a cheapie
I used a blow dryer.
You just had a blow dryer, so my Harbor Freight heat gun should work.
Yeah.
Because I've been thinking about going with the Avery, I think it's Avery. Yeah, I've been thinking about going with the Avery pearl white, kind of a satin pearl white, but I hadn't really, I've watched a few videos on YouTube of guys doing it for like the first time, and it was just horrible. I mean, theirs turned out just terrible. But you did this, so it kind of makes me think I could do it, you know? And did you take like the side skirts and stuff off?
I took side skirts, the rear bumper, valence thing, and then spoiler and front bumper.
Okay.
If I did it again, I'd probably take the fenders off, but...
Yeah, it's not like 4 bolts, I think.
Yeah.
It's not too bad to take those off. Well, we're gonna get to putting his headlights in his car, or my old headlights, his new headlights. We got mine done, and I'm just gonna set this up. But here's the new ones. Look pretty nice. Yeah, put them back together. Put my, there it is. There we go. Getting it over there?
Yeah.
Okay, where's... Oh, yeah. All right, guys, so we got them swapped around. You can see the 03 GT has the factory headlights in it, and you can look at the GTS has the halos. Like I said, you can't really see it in the sunlight too well, but there's a black, it's kind of a black housing with halos on the inside of them. So that went pretty well. Yeah, I thought it was pretty easy. So the only thing we had to really screw around with was that motor for the...
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was there. He knew it was there. What is that? It's a level?
Yeah, leveling motor.
Leveling motor for the headlights. So we rewired that, and then everything else was pretty good. So yeah, anyway, 2 Celicas in the same spot. We're gonna have to, if we get a cruise or something sometime this summer, we'll have to take them out. But one thing, you got one more thing. You can't open this until you get home.
Okay.
First mystery box. Yeah.
Thank you.
I also forgot, you guys, there was one thing I was going to show you. So like I said, the parts we have for the Celica, we're going to break down into a build series for you guys. So it'll be 3 stages: suspension, aesthetics, and power. So anyway, you guys better appreciate this, because I've been getting parts up the wazoo shipped to my house, and every time I'm like, I don't have time to make a video, so I better not put it on yet. And and every fiber of my being is like, oh, just go put it on, but I can't because I want to make a video for you guys. So one thing that I did cheat with and put on is this strut tower bar, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's a complete piece of crap. I'm going to flip over here and show you what I'm talking about. So this is the strut tower brace from Megan Racing, and I know that's not like a super high quality brand, but it's right in the middle, you know. It's not complete eBay garbage, it's not Godspeed or anything like that, but it's also not a super premium product. But being priced in the middle, I thought it would kind of be a decent part, you know. And look at the sticker first. I'm nitpicking, but that's how the sticker showed up. It's all scratched, it doesn't even say Racing. Megan Racing. And anyway, you guys, I was really disappointed with the dings in it. And look at this strut mount right here. So I took these bolts off. Obviously, you put this on, then put the nuts back on. And I tightened these by hand, and you can tell that it completely bent on that side and on this side right here. It's bent. It was all chipped up when I got it, just like this. But I mean, I tightened that by hand. I didn't use an impact or anything. And it just, so yeah, that was super disappointing. But here's the worst part right here, right next to my battery. Positive battery terminal. Look at how close that is to the strut bar. So actually, this faced over here. It went this way, and I had to twist the battery cables so that this thing didn't arc out on the positive terminal. It's absolutely ridiculous. This thing was made for this car, and on top of the quality not being that great, which again, middle of the road brand, but I expected a little better than this. And this is crap right here. That's the stock battery location, and this thing just super disappointing. So if you're looking for a strut bar for your 7th gen Celica, I do not recommend the one from Megan Rithing. All right, you guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. I had a really good time with the subscriber meetup. Bryce, I know you're watching this. Thanks for being a part of the channel. I hope you enjoyed that mystery box. If the rest of you would like one of those mystery boxes, watch videos such as this, and all you gotta do is comment on the video. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me greatly, but it was just a really cool opportunity to have Bryce come out here. We got to hang out for a little bit and find someone else that's into these cars. Honestly, I mean, I work at Toyota, and I don't even probably know as much about these as he did, because honestly, you guys, in the 6 years that I've worked there, this is the very first 7th gen Celica that's even shown up at the shop, and I've never had to work on one in 6 years of being a tech at Toyota. So it was really cool to meet up with someone who is enthusiastic about these cars, who knows a little bit about them, you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bryce, thanks once again for coming out. When I get the vinyl wrap, you're definitely gonna have to come out and help me out with that, because yours turned out pretty good, especially if you're a first time. So thanks guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.